Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do an SXC Vampire Polygel Kit today. I'm so excited! So if you are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And you can follow me on Instagram at babygirlnails. So here is the kit. This kit is $39.99 on SXCcosmetics.com. You can get it with 10% off by using my code babygirlnails. It is down below in my description. So here's everything that comes in this beautiful kit, as you already have been watching. These dual forms were absolutely humongous. I think they are big enough to honestly fit my toes. Look at those things. I wanted to show you guys the biggest one they had, and then I show you one that actually fits and, you know, the side profile. So yeah, there we go. Okay, I did already show you it came with competitive edge paper forms. It comes with a 180 grit file. Of course, a beautiful brush with the like detail. I love the detail that SXC delivers. Their packaging is amazing, just like McCart. Their polygel is wonderful to work with. Now, this kit came with the glitters. I wasn't too impressed by that because of some of the past kits I've reviewed were absolutely amazing. It came with some amazing stuff. So here are 6 beautiful polygels. They come in the bigger tubes, so you're getting 30 grams instead of 15, which I thought was also very nice of this company. So you get a lot more polygel. Now these were mostly like reds and pink polygels because of course it is a vampire kit. Alright, so we're going to use the XXL coffin nails. They're not the tapered, they're just a regular. By Nail Couture, I'm going in with my Prep and Prime. You always got to make sure your nails are nicely prepped and primed. And I'm going to also prime the tips, which means I'm going to be etching them with that Nail Couture primer. And as you just saw, I did put on my Peel Off base coat already. Now I'm going to go in with their base coat. And I'm going to put that from my cuticle to free edge, scrub it into the natural nail plate. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to swatch these. This one is Drusilla. Oh, and guys, these change color. This one is Victoria. I love the colors. This one is Elizabetta, I think it is. This one is Ambrosia. This one is Dracula. Dracula. And then we have Lucinda. And this is a dark, dark color. I love it. Alright, so I'm showing you both hot and cold right here. And then here they are when they are hot. I personally like the colors that they change when they're hot. Alright, I'm also going in with this netting, this red netting, and this is how the nail is going to turn out. I did get this red netting from Creative Claws on Instagram. So you're going to cut it to fit the inside of the nail, and that's what I'm showing you here. You want it to fit the entire, the entire length of the nail. And then I believe I use my Burano foil glue for the inside of the tip. Yes, nail foil glue. Love the Burano nail foil glue. It works amazing, very tacky, very sticky. So I coat the underside of the nail with a coat of that foil glue, and then I do cure that for 30 seconds. And I'm doing a couple nails here just to show you. So So you're going to coat the underside of that nail with the foil glue or a base coat, guys, whatever you prefer. It doesn't have to be foil glue. Now I'm going to take that netting and a silicone tool, and I'm going to press that down. That way it's laying flat. You don't want any pieces sticking up. You're going to push that down so that it's nice and flat against that nail. And then I have a trick to keep it nice and flat and down so that it's not moving around and it's not going to like pop up. So I go in with the nail foil glue again. I get my Flash Cure Light ready, and I'm gonna put some of that nail foil glue on top of that netting, and I'm gonna hold that down with the silicone tool while I'm curing to make sure it's not gonna go anywhere, and it's not gonna stick to the silicone tool. If anything, you'll get a little bit of gel on the tool, and it just comes right off after it's cured. Not a big deal. Really, really easy to do. And then I go ahead and do the other side down by the tip. And give it a flash cure. And then of course I will do a 30-second cure at the end, you know, after I've done all that. And I think I'll show you guys one more time how I do that. There I go in for the 30-second cure. Okay, here we go again. I'm going to lay that right on top of that Burano foil glue that's been cured. And it does hold it pretty well for the most part, but there still was some pieces that were sticking up. So I was like, you know, we got to have them all laying down flat and they can't be sticking up nowhere, because then you're going to have bubbles and it's going to be a big mess. So there I go in, holding it down again, freeze curing that. And then after I do a 30-second cure on the nails with the netting in there, I will go ahead and cut any of the excess off, just like I am here. Just cut it all off, anything that's hanging over, and voila, you got yourself a netted nail. All right, now it's time to add the polygel. I think with this one I used 5 colors. I really like these colors. They're so, like, this is the perfect time of year to use this kit. Now I have had this kit for a while, but I was like, you know what? October would be the perfect month for this kit to come out. So this kit has been out for a while. I think it's been out since the beginning of the year. I don't know why they came out with it then. They should have came out with it like now, but anyway. As you guys can see, I'm rubbing the polygel from my free edge down to almost the cuticle area. I'm leaving that part untouched because I want to put the polygel there that's going to adhere to my nail, and that's what I'm doing here. So as you saw, I did freeze cure the other polygel. That way it's not moving and sliding and slipping when I'm putting it on my nail, and it's not getting all over my fingers. So because this polygel was so dark, I did freeze cure it like I'm doing now, and then I also put it in the light for about 15 to 20 seconds. Yeah, you might have to smooth some up under the nail too, so. Cleaning around the edges, getting anything that might have squished out. Going in again with 3 colors. I'm going to smooth that up to the tip. I'm going to smooth that down almost to my cuticle, but not quite. And then I'm going to cure that. So again, I don't get it all over the place because it can be very messy. So once that's cured, you can tell because it changes colors. Go ahead and put in the polygel near the cuticle. Make sure it's very thin, not too thick. And then you're going to apply that just like you would a normal gel tip at a 45-degree angle, pressing down till touch your free edge, and then cure that just like that. And voila! I am using the same color by the cuticle every time. It's that really dark, I think it's Lucinda, that really dark one. Now you can tell when it's been flash cured because it will change color. So that was an added bonus. You could tell that it was cured is what I'm saying. You could tell that it was, you know. Alright, now it's time for a full 60-second cure. Now, I'm going to go in with the top coat on the underside of these nails before I do the filing, shaping, and all that, because I don't want the dust to collect under the nail there. I got these stickers a long time ago, guys. I have no clue where to get those. I do apologize. I'm sorry. But they're just, it's a skull with a rose, and I just used one on my accent finger here. And I'm pressing it down so it's, lays nice and flat. These rhinestones came in one of the SXC polygel kits. I believe it was the wedding collection or the bridal collection. So I'm going to go in with my McCart glue gel, and I'm going to go all the way around that skull sticker, and I'm going to put some of those tiny little rhinestones around the entire sticker. I do speed this process up so you don't have to sit here and watch me do that. Flash curing in between so they don't roll around. And then I take the top coat and encapsulate the sticker. It's not raised high, but it's raised up a bit. It's really cute. Looks great. I loved it. Alright, now I go in with the rest of those rhinestones that I got from a previous kit. I thought they matched this set perfect. Now, if these rhinestones would have came with this set, then I would have been happy. Instead of the glitter, I think they should have put some really nice rhinestones with this kit. So after I put the stones on and make sure they're, where I want them to be, I will go ahead and top coat it. And top coat all the nails, and of course tap your free edge. And then you're going to give that a full 60-second cure. And that's going to be it for the design. So I'm gonna put some cuticle oil on, rub that in really good, and then I go into slow-mo to show you guys how they came out. And then we're gonna try dunking them in some ice cold water. Wait till you guys see how cool these look when they change colors. This is when the polygel is hot, right after I cured them. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below. I want you to know, do you like them hot or do you like them when they're cold? And I also would like you guys to comment with a little vampire girl emoji. I know that there's one there because I used it the other day. And then a little blood drop. Use a little blood drop also, if you've gotten this far. Alright, so look, I used a skull ice cube. I thought it was very fitting, and my fiance has the little skull ice cube molds, so I was like, yes, let's use those. And just look how neat. I was having so much fun with this set. So let's pull them out, and this is what they look like when they're ice cold. Look at those colors. Oh, I love it. You guys, give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, don't forget all of my codes and my links to everything will be down in my description box. You can get 10% off of this kit right now if you go to www.sxccosmetics.com. And yeah, use my code BabyGirlNails. So here's everything again that I used, except for the glitters. And I didn't use the rhinestones either. But I hope you liked it. God bless. See you next time. Bye.